Welcome to our video on 8 incredible foods that reduce blood sugar. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those with diabetes. We're about to reveal 8 incredible foods that can help reduce blood sugar naturally. Before we dive into this essential topic, please do us a quick favor. Click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for future notifications so you don't miss any of our latest content. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels can prevent complications like heart disease, nerve damage, and other serious health issues. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can take a proactive approach to managing your blood sugar and improving your health. Now, let's get into the details. It's time to discover the 8 incredible foods that can help you reduce blood sugar and support a healthier lifestyle. Starting our countdown at number 8 is oats. Oats are a fantastic way to kick off your day, especially if you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels. They are packed with soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which plays a crucial role in reducing blood sugar levels. How does it do that? Well, beta-glucan helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This means your blood sugar levels rise gradually, preventing those nasty spikes and crashes that can make you feel lousy. Starting your morning with a hearty bowl of oatmeal not only keeps you full, but also sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Plus, it's super versatile. To keep it healthy, steer clear of instant oatmeal with added sugars. Instead, go for steel-cut or rolled oats. These types of oats are less processed and have a lower glycemic index, which is better for your blood sugar. Now, here's where you can get creative. Top your oatmeal with fresh berries, a handful of nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Berries add a burst of sweetness without spiking your blood sugar. Nuts provide healthy fats and protein, and cinnamon has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels as well. It's like a win-win-win situation. Also, did you know? A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating oats can improve insulin sensitivity, which is great news for those managing diabetes. So, not only are oats delicious, but they're also scientifically backed to help with blood sugar control. Adding oats to your breakfast routine can make a big difference. It's a simple change with powerful benefits. Next up at number 7 are avocados. These creamy, delicious fruits are not just trendy, but also incredibly beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are great for improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. This is super important for keeping your blood sugar levels in check. But that's not all. Avocados are also loaded with fiber. Fiber helps slow down digestion, which means that sugar is released into your bloodstream more gradually. This prevents those sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can leave you feeling tired and cranky. You can enjoy avocados in so many tasty ways. Spread some avocado on whole grain toast for a hearty breakfast, add slices to your salad for lunch, or blend them into a smoothie for a creamy texture. Their mild flavor pairs well with almost anything, making them a versatile addition to your meals. One of our favorite ways to eat avocados is by making guacamole. Just mash up an avocado, mix in some diced tomatoes, onions, a squeeze of lime, and a pinch of salt. It's a simple yet delicious way to add more avocado to your diet. And here's a fun fact. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adding avocado to your meals can help improve overall diet quality and nutrient intake. So, not only are you helping your blood sugar levels, but you're also boosting your overall health. So, don't hesitate to get creative with this nutrient-packed superfood. Coming in at number 6 are nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. They're high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which play a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. This fantastic trio of nutrients works together to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing those rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can leave you feeling off balance. A handful of nuts makes a convenient and nutritious snack. They're perfect for when you're on the go or need a quick pick-me-up between meals. Just grab a small handful and you've got a snack that's not only satisfying, but also beneficial for your blood sugar levels. Sprinkle them over your salads for a delightful crunch, mix them into your yogurt for added texture, or stir them into your morning oatmeal for an extra boost of nutrients and flavor. The possibilities are endless, and they add a satisfying crunch to your meals. One thing to remember, choose unsalted and unflavored varieties to keep your snacks healthy. Flavored nuts often come with added sugars and sodium, which can negate their health benefits. By sticking to plain nuts, you're getting all the good stuff without any of the extras you don't need. At number 5 are beans and legumes. These nutritional powerhouses include beans, lentils, and chickpeas, all of which are fantastic for managing blood sugar levels. They are packed with fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, making them an excellent addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. One of the key benefits of beans and legumes is their low glycemic index. This means they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and preventing those sudden spikes and crashes. The fiber content in beans and legumes also aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, which can help with weight management. Here are a few ideas on how to add them to your meals. A warm, comforting bowl of black bean soup is perfect for lunch or dinner. It's filling, nutritious, and easy to make. For a refreshing option, combine cooked lentils with diced vegetables, a drizzle of olive oil, and a splash of lemon juice to create a delicious lentil salad. Another great choice is chickpea stew, where you simmer chickpeas with tomatoes, spices, and leafy greens for a flavorful and nutritious meal. And don't forget homemade hummus. Blend chickpeas with tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil for a creamy dip that's perfect with veggies or whole grain crackers. Beans and legumes are not only filling, but also incredibly nutritious. They provide essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and folate, which support overall health. Plus, they're budget-friendly and have a long shelf life, making them a practical addition to your pantry. Next up at number 4 are sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange tubers are not only delicious, but also a fantastic choice for managing blood sugar levels. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, which means they release sugar into your bloodstream more slowly. This helps prevent those rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can be challenging to manage. Sweet potatoes are also packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. The fiber content in sweet potatoes helps slow down the absorption of sugar, ensuring a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Additionally, sweet potatoes are rich in essential vitamins like vitamin A, which is important for vision and immune function, and vitamin C, which supports your immune system and skin health. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy sweet potatoes. You can roast them to bring out their natural sweetness and create a slightly caramelized exterior, making for a perfect side dish. Mashed sweet potatoes are another comforting option, providing a creamy texture that pairs well with various main dishes. Baked sweet potatoes can be a meal on their own. Simply top them with a bit of Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even some black beans and salsa for a more savory twist. For a simple and healthy snack, try cutting sweet potatoes into wedges and baking them for homemade sweet potato fries. Drizzle with a little olive oil and sprinkle with your favorite spices for a tasty treat that's far healthier than regular fries. Coming in at number 3 are leafy greens. Vegetables such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are fantastic for managing blood sugar levels. These greens are low in calories and carbohydrates, but high in fiber and essential nutrients. The high fiber content in leafy greens helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and preventing spikes. Leafy greens are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. You can add them to salads for a fresh and crunchy base, blend them into smoothies for a nutrient-packed drink, or sauté them with a little olive oil and garlic for a simple yet delicious side dish. Their mild flavor and tender texture make them an easy addition to many meals. Spinach, for instance, is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron. Kale is known for its high levels of vitamins K and C, along with antioxidants that support overall health. Swiss chard offers a unique taste and is rich in magnesium, which is important for muscle and nerve function. Coming in at number 2 are chia seeds. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Chia seeds are a true superfood, especially for those managing diabetes. These seeds have a rich history, having been a staple in the diets of the Aztecs and Mayans for their energy-boosting properties. They're packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to better blood sugar control. One of the standout features of chia seeds is their ability to form a gel-like consistency when soaked in water. This unique property helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, effectively preventing the sharp spikes in blood sugar levels that can occur after meals. You can sprinkle chia seeds into smoothies for an extra nutritional boost without significantly altering the flavor. They also blend seamlessly into yogurt or oatmeal, adding a pleasant texture and making these foods more filling and satisfying. And for a delicious and healthy treat, try making chia pudding. Simply soak the seeds in milk, dairy or plant-based, overnight in the fridge. By morning, the chia seeds will have absorbed the liquid and expanded, creating a pudding-like texture. You can flavor it with a bit of vanilla, sweeten it with a low-glycemic sweetener, or top it with fresh berries for added antioxidants. And topping our list at number 1 is cinnamon. This aromatic spice is not just for flavoring your favorite dishes. It has been extensively studied for its ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The secret behind cinnamon's effectiveness lies in its polyphenols, which can mimic the effects of insulin and enhance glucose uptake by cells. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research supports its benefits for blood sugar management. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon helps your body use insulin more efficiently, reducing the amount of glucose in your bloodstream. This is particularly important for people with diabetes, as it can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Moreover, cinnamon is incredibly versatile and can be included in a variety of dishes. From savory curries to sweet desserts, this spice can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Try adding it to baked goods, such as healthy muffins or pancakes, for an extra boost of flavor and health benefits. One interesting fact about cinnamon is that there are different types, with Ceylon cinnamon often referred to as true cinnamon and considered to be the most beneficial. When possible, opt for Ceylon cinnamon to maximize the health benefits. Add a dash of cinnamon powder to your morning oatmeal for a warm, comforting flavor that starts your day off right. Sprinkle some on your smoothies to give them a spicy kick, or dust it over fresh fruit for a tasty and healthful treat. Cinnamon pairs wonderfully with apples, bananas, and even pears. Another great way to enjoy cinnamon is by making cinnamon tea. Simply steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for about 10 minutes. This creates a fragrant and soothing drink that's perfect for any time of day. Not only does it taste great, but it also helps manage your blood sugar levels effectively. And there you have it, the 8 incredible foods that can help reduce blood sugar. Oats, avocados, nuts, beans and legumes, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, chia seeds, and cinnamon. Always consult your healthcare specialist to ensure these foods fit your lifestyle and won't interfere with your medication. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Do you have any favorite blood sugar lowering foods or tips for managing blood sugar? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.